What's going on, guys? FadeitLuie here, bringing guys a brand new video. We're going to be doing a mid-fade on my boys, so stay tuned. We're starting off with our gold effects, creating our first guideline, contouring to his head shape. You always want to make sure you contour this guideline to their head shape so that the fade could flow better and it could be more unique to their head shape. Now that we're done botting them out, we can move on to our no guard all the way open and create our second guideline. Once we're done setting in that guideline, we're then going to slowly close the lever midway and all the way closed and attack that initial guideline. Don't be afraid to stretch the skin with your opposite hand to give you more space to blend. I hope you guys are enjoying the video. Please leave a like, comment, and subscribe. It's greatly appreciated. Also, if you guys want to show some extra support, go ahead and hit up my Instagram down below. Now that we're done erasing our initial guideline, we could go ahead and move on to our one guard all the way open and create our third guideline. Remember, we're going to use this same guard and its lever to soften up the line and get ready for the half guard. Using our two guard all the way open, we're going to create our fourth guideline and use our coil to feed the hair into the clipper. Using this guard, we're going to soften up the line and get ready for the 1.5 guard. Flipper over comb is one of the most important techniques, especially when you're trying to blend in the bulk, and also when you're creating a silhouette. Moving on to our go-to effects, we're going to go ahead and line up our C cups, starting off with our corners in the bottom and working our way to the top arch. Starting off at the bottom and working our way to the top arch, we're going to use the corner of the blade to make them as crispy as possible. Moving on to our Turkish razor and Derby premium blades, we're going to make them as crispy as possible. We're also going to apply shave gel so that the razor could glide better. I hope you guys are enjoying the video. Please leave a like, comment, and subscribe. It's greatly appreciated. Also, if you guys want to leave some extra support, go ahead and follow my Instagram.